Hi, this is Lucy Piper. So many people ask me about help with the constipation, okay? But before we even talk about constipation, let's talk about your poop first. For any chronic condition, including rheumatoid arthritis or our health in general, toxicity is a problem. So there is a two main way your body naturally detoxify and remove toxin from your body every single day. So listen careful. If you maximize the quality of your poop and quality of your sleep, you're already on your way to healing. So all toxins, excess cholesterol, hormones, all this should be go out of your system and do not reabsorb. Body give you message, and it's always available and it's always free. So what we're looking for, how your poop should look and what your poop tell about you. Okay, number one, smell. It should be little or no smell. If a strong smell like a rotten eggs or smell like a cow manure, it can be malabsorption or gut dysbiosis. So now your poop should sink to the toilet bowl. If it's floating, it is like a greasy, oily, or like a pale color stool. That happened when people have no gallbladder. But it's also correlated how you absorbing your fat. So we know that fat one of the important anti-inflammatory for the body. That's why we take in fish oil or olive oil, avocado, whatever it is, nuts. If your stool is floating, then you are not absorbing the fat very well. That you don't have this ability to use this anti-inflammatory or immune balancing element that fat have. Okay? So also you should have complete evacuation fast. 1 minute, done. Number 4, you should able to wipe once, and if it's not clean or you used a lot of toilet paper, then you have excess mucus, also dysbiosis, and some inflammation in digestive. So how often do we must poop? The simplify, it's daily. But the size of evacuation is very important. Think about from elbow to your wrist, about 12 inches sausage, that the food you eat day before. For example, if you have only maybe 4 inches, then you did not able to clean your body all the way. And it's, lead to constipation. And means, again, you reabsorb this toxin and cooking your toxin in the body. Keep cooking toxin in your body. So number 6 in the transit time. What is the transit time? So it is a food going from your mouth to the toilet bowl, which also related consistency. If your stool is loose, your transit time probably very short, quick time. If it's a hard stool, then it is a transit time is long time. So a healthy transit time between 18 to 24 hours. Another source can be tell from 12 to 20 hours. So anyway, if it's a long, then it's a reabsorbing toxin that need to come out of the body. That's maybe you start to feel brain fog or fatigue because you just so much overwhelmed with the stool. So the longer food stay in your body, you became also more food sensitive and more allergic. But if time is short, it's also not good. It means your body don't have a time to absorb all these good nutrients. It means all good food what you eat go right on your drain. So read about this again on my website. And also you can find out actually your transit time. You can experiment with this with some food. That will be very interesting experiment. So that said, it's not always perfect stool we have. but we should aim for this. So what we can do and what affect our stool or transit time. So of course it's a diet and microbiome. It's good and bad bacteria in your gut. Lifestyles such as stress, circadian rhythm, okay, lack of digestive juices, drugs including over-the-counter, a hormone imbalance, food processing, food combination, like dairy and gluten create glue in your gut, thyroid function, sluggish thyroid, poor functional vagus nerve, and probably more. So read my article in my website. This is Lucy Piper, your RA coach. If you have questions, please ask. But I think you will find all very interesting information by reading this. So I also start to accepting new clients, and I will be put more information on my website soon. And yes, next time we're going to talk about constipation.